Hello, and welcome to a short video on the Aeries Cable Selector. The purpose of the cable selector is to populate the cable type table directly from the manufacturer's website, while giving you the ability to verify no changes or updates have been made to the cable type by the manufacturer. You can easily browse and select cables from the Southwire cable catalog, choosing the appropriate types for the project, and the cable selector then imports all necessary engineering data required by CARS to the CARS database. An update function is also provided to check the Southwire catalog for changes and keep the CARS database up to date with the published data. The function is executed from WinTab from any cable type table view by clicking the Cable Type Selection Tool button at the bottom of the WinTab spreadsheet. When the Cable Type Selection Tool button is clicked, the cable selector will open. If you're familiar with the Southwire product catalog site, then you'll immediately recognize the view because it's the same site with the exception of the row of buttons added to the top, and we'll explain these as we go. To move forward in selecting a product type, hover the Products tab and select Industrial or Utility. We'll be searching for industrial type cables. Now select a category of cable types to choose a product from within your selected sector, industrial or utility. We'll be browsing for multi-conductor low voltage power cables for this demonstration. Some controls to note at the top of this screen are drop-down filters, refined search input, and results per page selection. The drop-down filters will help to drill down through the many cable types offered by Southwire to the specific type you're looking to add. The refined search input can be used to further refine the search by adding text. Finally, you can choose to see a different number of results per page. This is dependent on your preferences. With our search filtered down by the criteria we entered, let's select some products to add to our product list and continue. We'll do this for all the cable types we need at the time. Now, we're also going to add another cable type of XHHW jacket to our list of products. As you add types, a list in the My Products tab is built. Once your list is built and complete, it's time to choose the specific cable types to add to the CARS database from the product type selected. To begin, select the product and press the Show Cable Selection view. If this cable product has already been added to your cable catalog, the Check Cable Product for Updates button will verify that there have not been any manufacturer changes. With the Show Cable Selection View button pressed, the Cable Selection View will appear. This will show the engineering data and give you an opportunity to name and select, either individually or as a whole, the cable types of this product that will be needed for your project. To name cable types individually, simply type the name in the box provided and place a check in the far left column. When you're finished selecting, press the Add Selected Cables to Aeries CARS button found at the bottom of the window, and these cable types will be appended to your cable type catalog. In addition, a naming template has also been added for convenience. This tool will allow you to name all the cable types based on key characters in a cable type template. These key characters relate to properties of the cable type. For example, 3 consecutive pound characters will be replaced with the number of conductors of the specific cable type. 3 consecutive question marks will be replaced with the cable type's conductor size. This method will allow you to name all cables quickly, then select those required and add them to the CARS database. And there you have it. We hope you're enjoying the suite, and if there are ever any questions, feel free to reach out to Aeries support. See you soon.